Wow, you are finished with Module 1. You've done the course overview, the Schoology scavenger hunt as part of class time activities, and for outside of class activities, you've done the Techquity webinar and Note Catcher to talk about pedagogical strategies and tech tools so that you can start to think about activities to build relationships with your students. And you've taken the Getting to Know You survey so that I have some information to start to get to know you a little bit. You'll notice that in each module, I'm going to put an extension activity. And the reason that I do that is because when we talked about the course overview, I talked to you about the professional dispositions. And part of those are developing initiative and dependability, seeking opportunity to further your own learning. I want to put some things in there where you can further your own learning with limited or no supervision. And the other part of that is, in this disposition document, is that desire to improve your own performance, and demonstrates a responsibility to professional practice by pursuing new and better ways for teaching and expressing sincere interest in professional and personal growth. Okay, so those are some of the dispositions that you're going to be working on. That's why I put these extension activities in here, for you to have that opportunity to further your growth and to show that initiative and reliability and responsibility and commitment to the profession. Now, I make them extension activities. They're not worth any points or any extra credit points because your schedules are going to be so different. I don't want anybody to be rewarded or penalized for, I'm working 3 jobs and taking 15 credits. I just have time to get done the assignments that need to be done in class. But if you do have a week where your work schedule is a little bit lighter, or you don't have so many assignments in other classes, or the content of this extension activity really is interesting to you, then I encourage you to engage with it. This week, the first week of the semester, the week of January 18th, is just going to be monumental in what is going on with our democracy. And so we get to observe Martin Luther King Jr. Day on Monday, which is a day off for the semester. And then on Wednesday is the inauguration of President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris. And so we are trying to balance that with the January 6th insurrection and threats of violence and all sorts of different things. If we were classroom teachers right now, how would we facilitate conversations with our students about what's going on and what would we need to say? So I've put together just a few resources that I've found that can help you learn how to guide these conversations with your students. And these are just one of the many ways that you can address current events with students. And they are really only meant to guide initial conversations. But what I hope you do is, if you get a chance to look through these, then what I want you to do is go into the comment fields at the bottom of these, and I need to set them up with comment fields, and tell us what you looked at and what you thought of it. If you find additional resources that are really valuable and you think would be helpful to your colleagues, go ahead and share those in the comment fields as well. And this is all about sharing resources and learning from each other in that collaborative format. Now I know that not all of you will have opportunity to look at these links or comment. That's fine. This is meant truly as an extension activity when you have time and when the content engages you and is really important for you. You are also welcome to take these resources and bookmark them for later use if you want to. Okay, so have fun with this and use it to build those professional dispositions if this week works with your schedule.